Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can target your local businesses through your Facebook and Instagram ads. So what normally people do in their location targeting, they put the whole area. Like if you're living in UK, you put London. So it will target the whole city. You don't need to do that otherwise. So the target you have selected, the ads will spend in the whole area, and mostly where if you are targeting restaurants and in that area, in that whole city, it's you're targeting everywhere. And in some places there are no restaurants, or there are garment factories, or there are different type of businesses, so the ads will display to them. So we don't want to display our ads to those areas which are not related to our ads. So what we can do here, we can put a zip code. So what we can do here, we can also target local businesses through their zip code. So if you know all the zip codes and if you have the list of the zip codes which you want to target, you can add them in your locations. You don't need to add the countries or cities or areas in your location. You can exactly put the address of that business and you can target them through your Facebook ads. So it will be like really a small area of targeting, and you will be directly targeting to those areas which are interested or which are related to your campaigns. So how we can do that? I have few list of zip codes here. So let's copy this one and we will go like this first, and we'll try what comes up. So if it gives us the correct area, so now we have Oak Island, Gold Coast and Queensland. So now this one we need to target. We'll click here and it will take us to that location. And now here we can adjust our miles and the radius which we want to target. You can also drop the pin. So like we're going to zoom here and we want to target this section, only the area which is related to here, and we'll zoom, we'll go more zoom, and now we drop our pin, select here, and we drop our pin to this store. So now it will give us the radius to here, and what we'll do, we can go to minimum, but the good thing is we have dropped the pin on the exact location which we want to target. You can see here. So now we have two different options. We can either put the zip codes, and we can also drop the pin in the map. And now we can add more. So now we're going to add more locations here through the zip code. So sometimes it will not give you correct locations if you're putting the zip codes and everything. So you need to try different variations. So now I have removed the QLD from the zip code. It provides me the exact address which I want to target. I can select it from here. So from these two options, we have another option. So like you have a whole list of zip codes or the address, and you know them, they are exact and correct. So you can put all of them in one bulk action, and they will all be integrated in your locations. So you don't have to do them one by one, but you need to be sure that you have a correct locations and everything. Otherwise, it will give you an error and you have to do it again and again. So like it will be more easy for you to integrate or insert your location from this section, so you will know that which you are selecting. But let me show you that option, how you can do that. So let's say I have a list of zip codes and the areas. I will click this button here, the link here, add location in bulk under the map. So you'll click here and it will give you the pop-up. So you will select that what type of source you will be using as a location. Country, you'll putting the country names, or cities or postal codes or addresses. So you need to be sure that what you're putting in. So if I select the postal code here, and I'm going to use the country Australia and paste all the codes here, but it requires them in line. So we'll just fix them here quickly. Okay, so now we have all our zip codes lined up, and we'll see for the duplications. This one is duplicated. Let's remove this one, and all these are duplicated. So the area we were targeting was before that, but we need the zip code to be entered here. So we'll just use these two ones and let's see what it provides us. So once you hit that, it will give you the error, or it will give you the option to edit your zip code. So we can also edit the zip codes here. Just remove this one here and it will give us the options. So we need to target the Gold Coast. We'll just select here. We'll do the same for this one. Just remove the starting one. Sometimes they don't pick up the short forms for the area. So you just need to correct that. And once you have and set up everything correctly here, you just need to click add two locations. I guess we already have these locations. Yeah. So we have this one here, Hope Island, but we have put the exact zip code here. So now we got 4 locations in different pins. So now you know the difference that what will happen if you put the whole bulk location in your targeting or you do it manually. So doing it manually will be the precise and you know that where you are targeting. But if you put the whole 50 to 60 zip codes in one bulk targeting and it will be all over the place, and then you need to go one by one and check them individually. But this is one time task. Once you have selected all your locations and you want to reuse it in your next campaign, you can just simply save your campaign from here, from this button, and save your ad set from this button. And once you do it, you can easily use it in your next or future campaigns, and you don't need to put your locations again in your ad sets. And if you're worrying about like editing them in future, and once you have saved it and you cannot edit them in future, you can easily do that. So like here, if I can show you. So this is the previous campaign I have created. Let me choose this one. So now you can see the audience I have saved before. I can reuse it in my different ad sets. But now I want to, and if I click edit here, tell me that if I edit this one, it will edit on the global level. It will edit the whole campaign in all the ad sets. So what I will do, I will just do the editing here. I will change whatever I want to edit here and I will save it as a new audience. So it will be only for this ad set and it will not affect my previous campaign or in my future campaigns if I use the same audience. So now I will have a different audience and my task will be really quick and I don't have to do everything again. So guys, I hope this video helped you to understand how you can create the locations and target the local businesses in your area, and you don't have to waste your budget in the areas which you are not targeting and the people which are not interested in your ads. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.